Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good day and good evening. Hi. In the first session of 12, we will discuss how to express personal preference by using the words like and dislikes. Besides these two words, there are several other words that can be used to express personal preference. For example, love, hate, and then enjoy, prefer, and many others. Okay, in the first module that you can access if you want to read more and you want to get more information, you can read and you can visit www.pustaka.ut.ac.id. Okay, and you can read various examples of conversations using the words likes and dislikes. In the 12th session 1, I will show you some videos that will explain in the use of the words likes and dislikes in more detail, of course. And the presenter in this video is a native speaker, so you can practice listening to the explanation given by native speakers. Okay, stay tuned and let's check this out.